dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry.
What's up, style babes? Welcome back to my channel. It's Challenge Oriana. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be reinstalling this 99J wig from Amazon. The reason why I've never recorded myself, doing this wig is because when I initially started recording it, I ripped a big hole in it. This was probably a year ago or so, and I've never worn a wig ever after that time. And yeah, as you can see, the hole was huge, so I just had to patch it up, and I was like, I'm gonna wear it and I'm gonna do a quick little Glueless install for y'all. Alright, so we're starting off with our straight backs. Okay, they're really uneven. It's cool though because at least I can braid my hair and it's good. It does its job. So I'm gonna take some Got To Be and just slick back my little bit of edges. And I do this anytime I do a ball cap. Today I am not doing a ball cap, but this is what I normally would do, and it just helps prevent your hair being in the way when you're using glue or spray, whatever. It just helps. Alright, so I got my hair growth oil. This is the Do Grew Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. That was a tongue twister. But this is them. This stuff is so good. As you can see, I'm running super, super low. I use this stuff all the time. I honestly think that's what's causing my hair to grow. And, doing the protective styles, I would suggest getting this. The stuff is good and it smells good. I stretch out all of my wig caps all the time. It doesn't matter. I'm not doing a ball cap today, so I'm just going to skip past that, gluing it down, and just put on my concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to apply that onto the wig as well. It's in the shade Warm Honey if anybody's interested. And today's adhesive of choice is the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. This is their Supreme one. The black bottle is Supreme, then they have a red bottle and then a yellow bottle. This stuff is superior. If you want your wigs to stay on without using glue, just skip past the other two bottles and go to this bottle. But I do have a video of me using the red bottle if y'all are interested in that. So I'm gonna spray a couple of layers onto that. I think I'm gonna do like 2 sprays, and then I'm just gonna air dry it. I could use my blow dryer or my hands, either or, and I'm gonna wait for it to get tacky, similar to what I would do if I was using regular lace glue. I'm not gonna wait for it to get dry. I'm gonna wait for it to get tacky, like a little sticky point. Alright, so I did get a little bit tired of waiting, so I did bring up my blow dryer, and as you can see, that is tacky. That is what you want. You see it was kind of sticky on my finger. That's the tacky state that it's at, so you want to move quick and apply your lace on there. Like I always do, whether I'm reinstalling a wig or freshly doing a wig, I like to do sections. I feel like it's easier for me to do, and it makes the install come out seamless. So I'm applying the first section. Alright, so I like to apply the lace, and then once I do that, I put my setting on a hot to warm for my blow dryer, just to make sure that everything is nice and melted. And then I'm going to proceed and do the same thing to the rest of my hair.
Right up to
Alright, so after I pressed it out, I'm just going to put on my elastic band and make sure that everything is nice and melted. I let this one on for about 30 minutes. Usually at 15 it'll be okay, but this spray dries really quickly, so it was dry, but it never fails to put an elastic band on to help with a meltdown. So off camera, I did go ahead and did my baby hairs, and I also curled my hair. So the next clip that you see is my hair after a full day. So that's how the curls look. They did drop a little bit, but it did hold a curl. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new here, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, style babes.